Welcome back to another breakdown of how dividends and compounding shape long-term investing outcomes. This time, we're looking at a scenario where market growth and dividend yield are perfectly balanced, each at 4% per year. The chart begins with an initial investment of $10,000, tracked across a 30-year horizon. Two cases are compared side by side. In the first, represented by the blue line, dividends are not reinvested. They're simply paid out and left aside, while the portfolio itself grows steadily at 4% annually. By the end of 30 years, this approach produces a value of just over $55,000. The second case, shown by the red line, assumes every dividend payment is immediately reinvested back into the portfolio. That reinvestment means new shares are constantly added, each of which earns dividends of its own in the future. Over time, this snowball effect transforms the growth curve into something much steeper. At the 30-year mark, the reinvested portfolio reaches just over $100,000, nearly doubling the outcome of the non-reinvested case. What's important to notice is not just the higher final number, but the widening gap that develops as the years pass. In the first decade, the difference between the two portfolios is modest. By the second decade, the separation becomes clear, and by the third, it's undeniable. That accelerating divergence is the hallmark of compounding at work. This example underscores why reinvesting dividends has been such a cornerstone of long-term wealth building. Even with identical starting points and identical growth and yield assumptions, the discipline of reinvestment dramatically multiplies results. It's a reminder that patience and consistency can turn steady returns into remarkable outcomes,